Good morning. Welcome to Econometrics by Richard. Richard Econometrics. Last class, I taught how to organize your panel data, and this is the panel data now. The UK and the US panel data, and it's panel because it has variables and it has time and it has different countries. So that makes it both cross-sectional and it's pooled and cross-sectional, which made it a panel. So one of we last class we talked about the missing data, how we got the missing data by just filling this figure because as at that June there was no figure for the for the UK data as of June. So we had to do 4 months moving average to get that figure for June 2026. So based on that, I will show you how to how to copy the data in EViews. So this is my EViews, the EViews I'm using. Definitely what you have to do is let me start from beginning. Let me close the EViews so that we start. So you open the EViews. I use EViews 14. You just say create a new file. Detailed frequency, you say balanced panel, and then you say it is actually monthly. So what is the start date? It is 2010 January. It's actually monthly data that we are using. Then January to the end date is what? 2026 June. 2026 June. So they say number of cross sections. So how many cross sections do you have? Which means how many countries do you have? You just write two. So what is the work file name? Let's call it United States, United States, and United Kingdom. Yeah, so that's it. So you see, we have 396 observations in total, which is really okay for any analysis you want to do. So if you want to paste the data, you say quick that you're calling the data. There are different ways to do that, but I will teach you the one I normally use, which is actually easy and easy for you to edit. To do quick empty the good series. So you see, one means for UK and two means for US. So that's just it. It's very simple. You just go back to your data set. What you have to do is you just go back, then you copy the uh, you copy the time, the name of the variable name, and the variables, the variable names and the data in it. So you go to this and then you paste it here. You paste special. Okay. See, it has appeared inflation, MPR, and loan to deposit ratio. So if you cancel this, you can see, you can open inflation, you can see only inflation data sets for the two. We know that one is US and two, one is UK and two is US. So the same thing for loan to deposit ratio for each of them, and then for monetary policy rates for each of them. So you can be able to see that, and you can see the cross ID tells you that one is US and two is UK. You can see one is UK and two is US. I keep mistaking it. So this is the date ID, the ID for each of them. If it gives it its own ID, the same way Stata does. So that's just it. So thank you for listening. In our next class, I will show you how we'll go about running the pooled analysis, and then after then I will show you how to do why we have to do the fixed effects, and then lastly the random effects. So thank you for listening, and then we'll also talk about the Haussmann tests for you to be able to choose between the fixed effects and the random effects.